Meaning of Etonian.
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 Etonian. Etonian refers to someone who is a former student or graduate of Eton College, a prestigious and exclusive boarding school for boys located near Windsor in England. The term often carries connotations of privilege and elitism due to the school's reputation as a training ground for the British upper class. Etonians have traditionally held prominent positions in politics, business, and other influential spheres. However, the school has also faced criticism for perpetuating inequality and failing to adequately represent broader society.